What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're all having a great start of the weekend. And in this video, we'll take a look at Ethereum again today. We'll talk about, as we do usually, we'll talk about the fundamentals, both economically, but also fundamentally for the entire crypto market. And with that, I obviously mean everything that's been going around the FTX. Which is nothing to laugh about. And then we'll incorporate that all into the price, and I'll tell you what I think is most likely in these very unpredictable and volatile times. So first of all, economically, excuse me, my pronunciation is off. It's pretty good for crypto right now. Stock prices are going up, Nasdaq is going up, S&P 500, yeah, those are stock prices going up, dollar index dropping down, obviously moving hand in hand, but yeah, so economically it's looking pretty good. Usually, I mean, if this would happen, if nothing fundamentally bearish happened to crypto specifically, Ethereum would definitely be at 1800. But it did happen. A lot of Ethereum got sold. There's a lot more fear in the market, so we're not going to get up as easily anymore. Now, yesterday we also got some more updates on the FTX front with two things. One actually coming out a couple of hours ago, so we don't know too much about that yet. At least I don't. First of all, bankruptcy filing of FTX International and FTX US, I believe, which is bad, but to be expected, even though it did cause some bearish moves in the crypto market. But yeah, to be honest, I mean, what did you expect? That they were going to continue operating? Yeah, it doesn't matter. So yeah, then we dropped down a little bit. Yesterday we were still pretty bullish, still trying to break above 1300 and set up some sort of a consolidation, which, as you can see from my analysis yesterday, was well, what I expected to happen. And it's still going on, but right now the other fundamentals I just heard about is FTX potentially getting hacked, at least like $600 million in crypto moving out of FTX related wallets. And together with that, they have been spreading some things like don't download the app anymore. So again, a lot of uncertainty about what's going on. I mean, if they were really hacked for 600 million, this consolidation is not going to hold, unfortunately. We'll drop through our main support right now, which is 1200, and we'll start to drop down to this level between 1100 and 1000 again, which I do think will hold. As I said earlier in my previous analysis on Ethereum, Ethereum is really strong as a crypto. It's way better right now to invest in Ethereum than in Bitcoin. It's just there's way less selling pressure. And usually there's also less exposure from other exchanges in Ethereum. They have more exposure in Bitcoin. That's also, excuse me, that's also why Bitcoin is dropping that much. Just a lot of Bitcoin being sold off. Ethereum less so, and Binance holds a lot of Ethereum, and Binance looks to be okay. So, but yeah, I mean, altogether, even though it might not get sold off that much, fear is still there. Fear will then continue to rule the markets, and we will drop down. Now, if it was not really a big hack, or like let's say 100 million was lost, we will still find some bearish moves, but we will hold 1200. 100 million, let's say it was all in Ethereum. That's not that much compared to the volume daily, all right? So you could technically sell that off, and we don't even know if what was being hacked, if it's actually going to be sold off. You don't know. Maybe they're just going to hold it, the hackers. But yeah, so altogether, I still think this is the most likely scenario, but it depends a little bit on the fundamental developments over the next 24 hours. Yeah, altogether, stay safe, guys. It's a very weird time and a bad time, but it will get better. It will get better in the end. So that's my take on Ethereum this morning. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, take care and bye.